Good day, this is Thandiwe from MDMSA TV, reporting live from Africa Health at Gallagher Estate in Midrand. Today we are interviewing Shona from Shonaquip, who is currently exhibiting at Africa Health as a member of the Medical Device Manufacturers of South Africa. Shona, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for inviting me.
At Shonaquip, your medical devices have the opportunity to change people's lives in South Africa. Can you tell us a bit more about your company?
Yes, I started Shonaquip in 1992 to address the needs of children with disabilities who were unable to use imported products because of the environment in which they need to use them. And so we started designing mobility and 24-hour posture equipment that was suitable not just for the individual child's body to prevent secondary health complications, but also equipment that could be rugged enough and adjustable enough to be used in really remote and rural areas, as well as in schools and in hospitals and areas where children need to receive treatment.
Can you tell us a bit about the rapidly changing technology in the medical device industry?
I think I've seen a huge shift in assistive technology, especially in the field of wheelchair provision for children over the last 30 years. The majority of equipment comes from overseas. It's really not designed to be appropriate for the African environment and users and their lifestyle. So what we've really focused on here, and also with World Health, is looking at what is an appropriate assistive device when it comes to this type of environment in which it needs to be used, and how can we ensure that local content, local design, and local needs are met in the design of assistive technology. And that's where Shonaquip has focused its attentions, and we are seeing more and more assistive device and medical device companies popping up across Africa who are also passionate about addressing local need in a local way. And they're taking it to a level where actually the quality is so good that we're busy shifting South innovation north. And that's what's the most exciting shift that I've seen in the sector in the last 10 years.
Your medical device products touch the lives throughout Southern Africa and the world. Can you tell us of the experience needed for any newcomer to the industry?
Anybody wanting to get involved in the sector really needs to understand their users very well. I think as long as we as an industry keep focused on addressing the needs of the people we serve and ensure that our products and designs are really user-centered and easy to adjust, allow for the environment in which they need to be used, then just go with your heart and make sure that the products you put out there are really adding value to the people who need them, and they will automatically create their own market.
How did you find Africa Health 2022?
We always find it a very vibrant environment to exhibit in. We have a lot of people coming through and showing a great interest in our products. I think people are quite surprised to see an ISO 13485 certified wheelchair manufacturer based in Africa. We are the only ones at the moment, and we're very proud of that. But I think Africa Health gives us the platform to really show the world what's possible in the Deep South and how we can actually change the lives of millions of children through the work we do locally and not through imports.
And then the last question, how important is the emerging medical device industry to South Africa, and do you see it as a potential employment provider and catalyst for improving the lives of South Africa?
South Africa and many of the SADC countries have huge potential to shift the market for assistive technology. And I really believe that Cape Town in particular can really focus on becoming the assistive technology or medical device technology center for Africa. And I'm really proud to be part of this growing movement and believe that we will be setting new standards in the years ahead that the rest of the world will be looking at. Something that's affordable, something that's practical, and something that's achievable. So yes, I really think medical device provision in Africa is a reality. It's already happening. The quality is excellent. We have many people joining this sector now and seeing the opportunities, not only to serve their own populations, but to export into Africa and into other countries.
Thank you for joining us live from Africa Health, Shona. This is Thandiwe Magagula signing off for MDMSA TV.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.